Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted a fast, hassle-free way for your customers to buy your products directly from your website or blog, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a buy button to your Shopify store. By the end of this video, you'll know how to let shoppers go straight to checkout with a single click, boosting your sales and making their experience super smooth. Let's dive right in. So you'll want to start by heading over to your Shopify admin page. This is the control hub for your store. It's where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens. Just log in with your store credentials, and you should land on the dashboard where you manage products, orders, and basically everything important. Once you're inside your admin page, find and click on Apps in the left-hand sidebar. Apps in Shopify are like power-ups. They help you unlock new features for your store. When you're in the Apps section, use the search bar right at the top to type in Buy Button. This is Shopify's own app designed specifically for creating those easy, customizable purchase buttons for your products. Now, when you see Buy Button channel come up in the search results, go ahead and select it. This channel is made by Shopify, so you know it's reliable and will integrate smoothly with your store. Give it a click, and you'll see an option to install. Click Install. Don't worry. This is quick and won't affect how your store runs. After the installation wraps up, you'll notice that a new option appears, Create Buy Button. Click on that, and it'll take you to the customization area. This is where things get exciting because you're about to build your first buy button. Next, you'll have the chance to select which product you want the buy button to feature. Maybe it's your best seller, a new launch, or something you want to promote on your blog. Just scroll through your product list, pick the one you want, and confirm your choice. Selecting the right product here is important, since this button will link directly to the item's checkout process. You're basically hand-picking what your visitors will be able to snap up with a single click. Now, look to the right side of your screen. You'll see an option that says Action when people click. This is an important setting. By default, it might just add the product to the cart. But for a smoother, more streamlined experience, go ahead and change this action to Direct to Checkout. What this does is send your customer straight to the checkout page as soon as they hit the button. It's fantastic for impulse buys and makes purchasing much easier, like handing someone the express lane at the grocery store. Before you finish, you can take a moment to customize the button style or layout. This step is optional, but I highly recommend it. Maybe adjust the colors to match your brand, tweak the corners to make it more modern, or change the text to something friendlier like Get yours now. This little bit of customization can make the button feel right at home on your website and helps grab your customers' attention. And honestly, that's it. You've now got a functional buy button ready to use on your site. You can embed it on product pages, blog posts, or wherever you want to make shopping easy for your customers. So there you have it. Adding a buy button in Shopify is straightforward, but it can make a huge difference in how easily your customers can make purchases. If this tutorial helped, give the video a thumbs up and feel free to drop any questions in the comments if you run into any bumps along the way. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Shopify guides and e-commerce tips. See you in the next video.